Alright guys, welcome to the Genting Suite at Resorts World in Birmingham. Straight in, got a little side table, couple of stools, phone, power, TV is a curved screen, which, yeah, view is pretty cool, floor to ceiling, out over to the Moxie and the NEC, that's me in the mirrors. Nice corner sofa, nice big coffee table low down. Do have a guest bathroom just in here, it's only the toilet though. But nice. Huge dining table. It's got 8 chairs. Another little chair over there. Haley's over here in, oh my god, it started already. If you ever join us for a channel, if you're watching this as a room tour, you've got your Nespresso, you've got another Nespresso, everything's included. Oh, 6 pods, I'll accept that. Tea, coffee, that is complimentary as well. Someone started early. Alright, leaving the dining room and the lounge. Walk into the vanity area. And then wardrobe in here, safe and everything behind that one. No, safe's in the other one, I lie. Bathroom, pretty impressive. His and hers. I can do laps in that. Shower is pretty tidy. And bidet and the throne. Nice rainfall shower, another shower and the jets as well. All Esper stuff included, which is nice. Another guy in the mirror. TV in the mirror as well. And you curl around and the king size is in here. With some swans, which is nice. Luggage rack in the corner. Couple of chairs. Just the one window. But again, lake view, which is beautiful. Another huge TV and another desk, phone, lots of power outlets. We've noticed that already, loads of power outlets. You've got 4 next to the bed, another 2 in the corner. But yeah, we'll do some B-roll. Yeah, looks good, happy with it. We're gonna hit the minibar. Jeez, look at this. Gonna hit the minibar, do some B-roll footage in here, and we'll catch you lunch. Let's get some burgers up here.